If your firm uses a VoIP phone system to take phone calls, then Jump can actually capture those conversations for you and generate notes in your Jump portal. The first step in making sure this can happen is setting up the integrations with the VoIP phone systems your firm uses. If we don't offer an integration with your VoIP phone system, you can also use Jump's Join My Call feature to capture your conversations over the phone. Once you've integrated your VoIP phone system with Jump, the next step is to record the phone call when it's happening using your VoIP system's native controls. You can set up your system to record a call automatically or manually. If you're not sure how to do this, we recommend checking out our Help Center article titled How to Record with RingCentral. We found that most VoIP phone systems tend to operate similarly, and this will give you a good idea on how to record your calls during the conversations. Once you're finished recording the call and you've ended the call with the client, the Jump is going to receive the recording of that conversation and begin processing notes for the meeting. You'll be able to find your meeting notes in your AI Process tab, and you'll find that the name of the meeting will be named after the context of the conversation. Jump is going to use AI to determine what we should name it, but you can always click into the title of the name and name it something else if you'd like. Jump's VoIP integrations can further assist you in saving time with the admin tasks that are associated with your client meetings by efficiently getting the notes for your phone call conversations.